This new Field of Flowers collection is amazing. First off, I'm just putting a little pearlizer all over my skin just to give it a nice hydration, give it that silky glow. Then I'm adding my foundation and a little bit of tinted moisturizer. Look how it just evens out your skin tone. So easy, gives you great coverage, but it still feels super lightweight. Like you can't even tell it's on there. But look at the difference. It totally knocks out the red in my face. Just evens it out. I love it. This is what I wear almost every day. Now we're going in with a little bit of contour. Today I am using the deep tinted moisturizer. And I just want to sculpt a little on my jawline, my cheekbones, and then my hairline. And if your nose is wide, you can make it look a little narrower. Dark colors make things recede, gives you a little shadow so it looks like, you know, you're highlighting the top of your cheekbones versus underneath. Contouring is not something everyone has time for every day, but when you do it, wow, what a difference it can make in your skin. The shape of your face. You can totally change the look of your face. Get that hairline and make sure you blend it all the way into your hairline. And then you can always go back over it with your foundation stipple brush, and that just kind of softens and blends the colors. Now I'm going in with a little pearlizer. This is our J-Lo Glow. This is what gives you a beautiful, soft, shimmery highlight. So the areas you want to focus on, the top of your lips, the tip of your nose, tops of your cheekbones, and you can even put some right under the arch of your brow as well. Just gives you a really nice glow to your skin. I'm going in with the brow gel to comb my hairs in the direction I want. They have a mind of their own. And let that dry. Now I'm going to go in with the Field of Flowers. This collection is everything you need in one set. You've got 2 eyeshadow colors. We've got the new blush. Oh my gosh, Belladonna blush is gorgeous. 2 different lip glosses, a shimmery lavender and then the peachy color, and then the new Camellia lip scents. So this is I believe it's Wildflower Shimmer, and this shadow is great for such an easy blend. It's crease proof, smudge proof. It gives you that great color that you're looking for. Especially with hooded eyes, you really want to focus that right on your eyelid to open your eyelid. And then wipe off your brushes in between. Next I'm going in, first I did Candlelight. Now I'm going in with the Wildflower. Get that shimmer on there. And the shimmers I like to pat more than I do really blending it all out. I'm just kind of patting, blending. The more pigment, if you want it to be more intense, you just pat. If you want to soften that color, then you're going to blend. And take it right up under your brow bone. Now I'm going in with the brown color, and that color is a matte brown. I believe it's like woodland. Can't remember the name. And then there's the shimmer color. So pretty. Just a great combination. And what I love about these cream to powders is they blend so easy. You don't have a powdery mess all over in your makeup bag or your makeup drawer. These are so easy to work with, easy to travel with. And then look how easy you can really contour. You can get a great shape to your eye just by using these cream to powders. And once they dry, they're on there. It's not going anywhere. Now I'm taking the same woodland color and just tapping it on as eyeliner right on the outer half of my eye. And just pat it in. I'm not even barely blending it. I'm just pushing it into my lashes to thicken up my lash line. And then I'll bring it out for a little bit of a wing. Just helps to lift your eye. Now I'm going in with a color called Snow. Snow is just white, and it's going to lighten and brighten my inner corner of my eye. Especially if you have really dark eyes or deep set eyes. This is a great trick illusion to brighten up your eye area. I love these eye pencils. These are totally waterproof. They are made with carnauba wax, so they just glide right on. I like to use it on my waterline under my lashes, so it's really thickening up my lash line and making my lashes look a little more intense and thick. You can also bring it out just a little bit to sort of intensify the little bit of a wing that I have on the top of my lashes as well. You can even take a brush and blend it in more. Now I'm going in with the primer mascara. I've got the Undersense primer first that is the light tan color. Now I'm going in with the waterproof black. You can use black brown or black, and it helps build your lashes. There's an ingredient called Capixyl that helps stimulate the hair follicle. Your lashes are going to be healthier, stronger. They're not going to fall out as often, and they're going to look longer. And this is such a great way to not only lengthen and thicken your own lashes, but to actually grow your natural lashes. Now that my brows have dried with the brow gel, I'm going in and using the brow building cream in Granite. Granite's what I suggest for most women who are going gray. It isn't, a lot of colors tend to be too warm, too red. And this is just a really nice neutral grayish taupey color. Works great for your brows. So what I like about putting this on top of the brow cream is it colors the skin and the hairs and keeps the shape. Now we're going to play with the new Belladonna blush. It is time for a new blush. This color is so good. And you can see a teeny bit goes a long way. That little dot covers both sides and some. And then I just take a brush and stipple it on. And if you want to lift your cheekbone, I would encourage you to start back where I did, a little higher on your cheek, and then blend up into your temple. If you have a really thin face and you want to give it a little more fullness, you can put your blush more on the apple of your cheeks. A new technique now is to also touch a little blush on your nose, on the bridge of your nose, just to look a little sun-kissed. Okay, these two new glosses, oh my gosh, they smell so good. This first one just gives you, it's a raspberry something, I can't remember the name, but it just gives you a little bit of a warmer tint to your lips. The other blush that comes, or lip gloss that comes in this is Shimmery Lilac. And oh my gosh, again, it smells so good. It's more of a blue undertone with a little bit of shimmer. Great color. These can be worn alone, as you see, or you can wear it over your very favorite Lip Sense color. Now let's play with the new Camellia. This color is going to be great on almost all skin tones. It's a nice blue undertone mauve color, real natural. Like if you're looking for a natural lip color, just a little more than your lip color, this is it. This is a great color. I love it on most skin tones. And then you could change it up. Like for me, I tend to wear more warm tones, but you can see this still works for me in my coloring. I could put the the raspberry gloss on top, and that would really change it up and give it a little more of a warm look to it. But 3 thin coats of color, and you're good for about 8 to 10 hours. All you have to do is add a gloss. You can use a matte, one of your favorite matte glosses. You can use one of your favorite glossy, shimmery, sparkly, glittery glosses, or just the clear gloss. But these colors, the color bonds on the surface of your lips so it won't bleed or feather or won't transfer. And then when you add the moisturizing gloss on top, it keeps the color on all day. It hydrates your lips. That shea butter and vitamin E really attracts the moisture and brings it deep down into your lips, so you will not have dry lips again. Just give it a few seconds to dry. And then you can go in and add your favorite gloss. This is just the clear glossy right now. But you can see how quick it dries. This collection is everything. I encourage you to follow me. My link is in the bio.